Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about outputs in JavaScript, like how many different ways that we can use to print the outputs, to print the outputs. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, create a file called outputs.html, and here let's close rest of the files, and here type HTML5 and we'll get the basic structure of HTML. And here we'll be having four different types of outputs. The first one is inner.html, inner.html, and the second one is document.write, document.write, and third one is window.alert, window.alert, and the fourth one is console, console.log, console.log. So in these four ways, we can print the outputs in JavaScript. So let's see one by one. So the first one is inner.html. The first one is inner.html. So the example is in the body tag, take p tag and write explanation to print the different types of outputs in JavaScript. Outputs in JavaScript. So here we have to write the script here. We have to write the script here. So just I will write id is equal to change. id is equal to change. I have written some change here. Or in this place of here we can specify another p tag. So we will display some addition in this p tag and give id is equal to addition. id is equal to addition. And so we have given the addition. So now we have to write the script tag. So in the script tag only, we will write the program. So here we have to write document dot get element by id, and the id is addition and dot inner html equal to, I'll do 45 plus 55. 45 plus 55. So this is in this way we can do addition by using inner.html, and we will display this output like this result in the p tag. So let's click on F5 and click on web Chrome, and we got the answer 100. So in this way we can use the inner.html, and now we will discuss about the document. Second one is document.write. So just in the place of okay, leave it like this, and we will write another statement. Document dot write 10 plus 35. 10 plus 35. So what we have written, document.write, and we have written some addition. So let's click on F5. We have the output, right? Just click refresh. See, we got the result as 45. So by using document.write, you can do like you can print the result and the output. You can print the result in the output. So in the simple way, we can, so without the need of IDs and the rest of the things, we can display it simply by using document.write. And we are having another one is window.alert. Window.alert. Third one is window.alert. So the alert is, I will give 34 plus 45 plus 56. So you have to give alert as the result. Like you have to give the alert, and in that alert you have to print this addition, and save it, and go to here and click on refresh. See, we got. So here the first thing you have to remember is, first you can see the pop-up, windows.alert pop-up, and after that, when you click OK, then you'll get the rest of the outputs. So the first thing you'll get is pop-up. The first thing you'll get is pop-up, and if you click on OK, then you'll get the rest of the outputs. So in this way, we can use the windows.alert. And instead of so we can use alert also. Just alert. We can use alert. So alert 45 plus 34. So we can use this thing also. Only alert. You can F5 and click on OK. See, we got two alerts, right? The first one is 135 and the second one is 79, and the rest of the outputs will be displayed. So the first one is this, and the second one is this, and the rest of the two outputs will be printed. And the final one is console.log. So here you can display anything, like I am iron. Save it and go to here and refresh it, and click on OK. For example, instead of doing string, we can print 34 plus 10. Let's see will it work or not. Save it and refresh it. Click on OK. So console.log will be there in the terminal. In the terminal. See, we will get in the terminal consoles. Console logs will be displayed in the debug console. So we got the I am Iron Man, and we got the 44 also. So I hope you understand. So these are the outputs in JavaScript. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.